Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nabri Love. Today, because I'm giving y'all a fall inspired look. I look like a real life leaf. Like, that's what I was going for, like an autumn leaf, I was about to say spring, a little autumn fall look. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Also, before we get into the video, I have my hair currently straightened, but in the video you're going to see me wand curl it. I didn't like it, so I ended up combing it out and then barrel curling my hair, which you will see that as well. So yeah, just put in the comments whether you like the straight version better or if you like the curls. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay, the colors I'll be using are Cajun Spice, Paprika, and ginger, and then I'll also use the half a bottle of honey brown. Okay, so I started off by using the paprika and the honey brown at the top of the hair, like at the root. And like I said, I just mixed the rest of the bottle of the honey brown, but it's mostly paprika. So what you want to do is just paint it on with the brush and make sure you comb it through so you can saturate the hair fully, and make sure you're also getting the bottom of the hair. As you're going to see, I'm going to lift the hair up so I can get the back of the hair as well. Okay, and at the ends of the hair, I'm going in with Cajun Spice and ginger mixed. So I'm just using my comb to saturate the hair. And then I'm also using my fingertips because what you want to do is glide them up and down the hair so it's no harsh lines, because you want the colors to look seamless and not look forced, I guess you can say. Because with ombre, you want it to look like it's gradually turning into a different color, not like a line and then color. This is the color. It came out so bomb. Ignore the background, y'all. But it's giving very much fall. Yes. I just have to curl it and layer it too. But yeah. And I also cut the ends, like blended them, because you know ends at the end of your wig be a little thin. But the dye did come off the lace. It's just a little bit. No, you can't even see it like that, because that's on my mannequin head, but just a little right there, but it's not bad. But yes, I think I bodied it. And like I said, I will also put the picture in of the inspiration for this look. But yeah, it looks really good. All right, y'all, so this is the color. So at the ends, I basically blended them because it was like a little sparse, but this is how it looks from the back. Now I'm about to basically, y'all probably think I'm dirty because I wear this shirt a lot, but it's like I like the shirt and somebody special gave it to me. But anyways, y'all saw this in my last video, but whatever, I wash my clothes, so just know that. Anyways, I'm about to cut layers in this. I really hope I don't mess it up. We ain't gonna speak that into the atmosphere. I'm gonna body this, okay? Because this is my first time doing this color, and I just want it to, you know, come together. And like I said, in the picture, she looks like she did like basically wand curls and combed it out with the wide tooth comb. So what I'm gonna try to do is just go diagonal, and I'm gonna stop like right here. So let's see. Yeah, and I'm gonna be looking at my mirror, so. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, DM or comment down below any other hair colors that you guys would like me to try. Like I mentioned before, I like trying new colors, and every time I try a new color, I like it. So, yeah. But Christmas, I have a lot of things in my bag. So, anyways, like I said, DM me if you have any color suggestions, or just comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because if you're not subscribed, you'll hate it on the low. I'm just gonna say it. But yes, love you guys. Thank you for the loves and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.